Hello! Yahoo! It's me, Mario. Ba-bam, people! The hottest tech item that's not on the market is in the house today. That's right, people. We got ourselves a Nintendo Switch, but not just any Nintendo Switch. We got ourselves a Pokemon Edition Nintendo Switch. Yeah, I know it's been out for quite some time and all, but hey, it's new to me. So I've been sitting on this box for about a week now. It took forever to get here, but it's finally here, and I'm excited to dig right in and check it out. But first, let me tell you a story. So as I searched the interwebs high and low, I had to get my son a Nintendo Switch Lite. It was his 3rd birthday. He bugs the crap out of his sisters to play our regular Switch, and I was like, I want to get him something special. So I looked, and I looked some more, and I finally came across this Nintendo Switch Pokemon Edition. I thought it would be great. I thought it would be awesome. I thought it would be the stars and the moon. It would be the best thing since sliced bread for my 3-year-old son. Unfortunately, the company that I bought this from is located in the UK, and their distributing warehouse is out of China. As we know, China's working a little slow right now. Everything is just really on pause or on hold, and oh my goodness, this actually came in 2 weeks past his birthday. But needless to say, I was able to find another one via Target. Thank you, Target. But the one he got is the gray version. My version is going to be the Pokemon version. You know, I might do a swap with him. I don't know. It depends how cool this is. So, but enough with story time. Let's dive right in. So what's really cool about this edition is, you know, you look at it and the design is definitely unique and it definitely stands out. On the left side, we got the blue side. On the right side, we got the red side. At the bottom, it says Pokemon, and it says some other things in Chinese. I don't know what it says. On the right side, it says Nintendo Switch Lite. So on the back here, we got a design of the back of the Switch, which in my opinion looks super cool, as my son would say.
So cool.
But enough talking. Let my fingers do the walking. So here we have our Switch Lite Pokemon Edition. Ooh, cool, nice, all that good stuff. Up top, we got our power button, we got our volume up and down, we got our hole for our fan, 3.5mm headphone jack, game card slot, and of course our L and right triggers, our ZL and ZR triggers as well. On the back, we got ourselves a, cool little design. Nice little touch right there. Underneath to the left hand side, you're gonna have your micro SD card slot. At the bottom, you're gonna have your USB Type-C charging port. And yeah, well, that's about it. So if we dive deeper in the box, looks like we got one piece of paper of instruction manuals, and of course it's in Chinese, so I don't know what it's saying. And because I didn't realize that just right now, but hey, it is what it is. But because this is an out-of-country Switch imported all the way from back east, China, we don't have the American charging port. So yeah, I'm gonna have a hard time putting this in my wall, but it's all good. I got my son's, his is out there. We can charge. We'll just have to take turns, I guess. Hopefully he lets me. All right, so you might be saying, hey, why'd you pick up the Switch Lite when you can get the regular Switch? I know the Switch Lite is cheaper, but what the heck is the difference? And to be quite honest, that's what I thought as well. But I think that the Switch Lite is directed towards a lot of people actually. And if I have any idea as to what people actually like, what they want, what they need, then the Switch Lite is right up their alley. First of all, like I said, it's $100 less. So you can get these for $199. The regular Switch is $299. Now, of course, this was a special edition and it was imported, so it's a little bit more. I paid about $230 or so, but overall, still a pretty reasonable price for the package that you get. Now, there are a few things that it lacks. First of all, no detachable Joy-Cons. It's all connected in one piece. It is smaller. The battery size is smaller. The screen size is smaller. But then again, let's look at the positives and actually see what you actually get with your purchase. Because basically, you can play any game that you could play on the regular Switch on this. As long as that game has an option for handheld operation, then you can play it on the Switch Lite. Another thing that I found out that, I was like, that's pretty cool, is the Joy-Cons. So these come, it's all included. You can't take them apart or anything like that. It's all one package unit. But the Joy-Cons, you can buy for about 70, 80 bucks, a regular price, not during quarantine season, but during regular price, about 70 or 80 bucks. You can connect your Joy-Cons to the Switch Lite as the same way that you would connect it to a regular Switch. So if you get tired of using handheld mode and you want to be a little bit more free with your controllers, I guess, then you could buy a set of Joy-Cons, a 2-pack, and play on this Switch Lite. Now you won't be able to play, that far away because you can only play on this device. You can't play it on the TV as you could on the regular Switch. But then again, it's still $200 plus about 70 or 80 bucks for the Joy-Cons. It's still less than buying an actual Switch. And then you break up the payments, you don't have to pay it all at once like you would with the regular Switch. Another positive is the Switch Lite is actually kind of the hidden secret, the hidden gem right now during quarantine, because the regular Switches, they are sold out completely. I was not able to find any Switches available whatsoever. And luckily I was able to find this one and then the one I got my son, but it's few and far between. These are hot commodities right now. People are at home, bored, out of their minds, and Nintendo has the games to get people through this difficult time. There's several games that my family and I, we enjoy playing on the Switch, playing on the Switch Lite, that it's just nice. It's just nice to have, nice to kill some time, have a little fun, play as a family, or play by yourself. It's your choosing. And Nintendo has done an excellent job over the past several years to make the Switch a household name and, a kid's dream. A kid's dream. Every kid throughout the entire world wants a Nintendo Switch, and even a lot of adults, including myself. So even though this is a special edition, Pokemon edition, the game is sold separately. I wish it was installed. Fortunately, I gotta buy the game if I want to play it. So, but what do you guys think? How are you guys dealing with this quarantine season? Do you have a Switch? Are you looking to pick up a Switch? You don't want to switch, whatever the situation is, leave it down in the comments below, and I would like to continue the conversation down there. Now, right about now is where I give my, little spiel about, picking up the Nintendo Switch or whatever device it is. And I know they're hard to come by, so I will try my best to put updated links in the description below, so that way you have a good chance of picking one up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to make sure you're in the loop for all things Handsome Gadgets. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked the video, and I guess a thumbs down if you didn't care for it. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram @HandsomeGadgets. Thank you, and have a good one.